Jutai and Humber Purong ang Danby Nishido Knalaidu Radio Gupshup 94.3 FM. We are proud to be local. And ha Sunday Rewind ni interview shuru klai lanang. So dini studio ha ang jang tung phadu the young and talented artist art and craft ha Vijeta Hagjer. And ha buke welcome klai ladi Jutai.
Jutai Kripkebo. Hello Danvia B.
Hello.
Thanks for having me over at Radio Gupshup.
And hari jini interview kebo shuru klai lanang. So Vijeta, tell us more about yourself. And besides art and craft, handmade, what you love to do?
Ani hamba bumu la Vijeta Hagjer. Angke ani nuni bumu hanna chi shemitsiaro bangdao. Ang haflong down rajini. Odehe ang recently sociology major ha bachelor's degree lahi graduate jaba Hindu College Delhi University Nipram. Currently ang same discipline ha post graduation claimane prepare class I do. Or a side by side ang ani hobby kibo continue ladu. So this hobby of mine, which has now turned into a little venture, does not have a specific name to it, but I'd like to call it the art and craft of upcycling discarded or rejected materials or objects like glass bottles, plastic bottles, pots, jars, etc. into something beautiful, useful like a lamp or flower planter, or make them into a decorative piece to adorn someone's living room, etc. Or something that is of higher quality and value than the original, or something that has use in everyday life.
And next all in Shingladu, kining bidhe ideas my baning bidhe start klajin ba or he here inspired klebaning.
That is how I started this craft initially. Ang lailangeba mai thai COVID-19 ne lockdown jaba shomai ha September badain ha jen ba glass bottles paint klemane. Narini tsikala butai ma hatai ha stationery shops po bondong re ode online delivery service po hamshi shulia bani ani ha canvas pa sketchbook mu shi girba painting klemane. Tsikala shanchi ani ha ibu boti phaika and then jini backyard hala kyawaye eba bottles pangbi, so why not try and paint them instead into a beautiful decorative piece or make a flower planter out of it. Then ang Pinterest app hanai bala ang baubalei ideas parent kablai du odehe ang discover kleka je pai jini artist ode home decor enthusiast puchubo ibu craft ha binding invested ship. So what started as a mere hobby to cope up with the monotony of lockdown has now turned into a craft that I'm deeply invested in, hopefully for a lifetime, because the return is only so rewarding.
And just kani do mention kleba ki yaoye ba bottles kening use klaidu sihi. So do ha kindly request klaidu jingi do here khna do mushke kindly request khaila do. By chance she baudo ki bu bottles ke lamp lema nikli hi. Then don't do this vegetarian directly because she will transform into a beautiful showpiece. That then inke here only inspired kleba.
Initially the anke shaushi boibu craft hapmane particularly the inspired klaidoya. Tikabo, this idea of upcycling glass bottle or any other waste material has really sprung up from the general idea that prevails within my household, and I assume that prevails within any other Indian household, which is to create or make the best out of waste. By this, I do not mean that my family is eco-friendly or sustainable in all ways of living. Of course, that's literally quite impossible in this day and age. But we do try to implement small rituals in my household that could contribute to the environment. For example, ani amai baba tumanang nishangning waste management blamha wet odehe dry waste ke segregate khaire odehe jini noni bagan ha sabji gai ba botu nebo warme compost shar no haning slambashe. So in little but significant ways, we have sought to be environmentally nurturing. Then gradually the inspiration has come from all corners like social media platforms such as YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, wherein I've found many other artists and upcyclers with whom we share a common love of making hand-painted, DIY, handcrafted products which are all collected from rejects. That can be found in our own backyards.
And Howlining next question Shingla do. So Vijita, from childhood you love doing the stuff?
As I've mentioned that I started this craft only last year in the month of September. Tikabo ang anchadong baha painting / drawing school hathangre. Obani duha bottles or pots putuki upcycle klai baha. Anchani shang painting klai hi phaisai du bani. I owe my present skills to the learnings that I've acquired as a young painter quite early in my life. Odehe ang gabang ning interested she yaujang aspa poslam khumane. Be it cooking, baking, sewing clothes, etc. I've always been interested in doing or making something crafty from scratch. Tikala ibu factor jang ode COVID-19 lockdown situation jahi ani interest glass bottles ke upcycle khlaimane hablong laha.
And I really like that idea about the cycling mini bottles with some beautiful painting. So can you share your experience?
So, as has already been said, one of the sole reasons why I've got hooked with the idea and experience of upcycling is that it essentially helps you achieve 2 of the 3 R's of recycling, that is, reduce and reuse. It helps you reduce what was going to the landfill, and it reuses the product you were going to throw away, giving it a second life without the need for degrading it. So I think the upcycle way of life is really the way to go about in this ultra consumerist globalized world. Plus, this upcycling experience really enables me to put a piece of my painting done with much passion and love, and at the same time it brings a smile and gives joy to people in whose home the product finds its place eventually.
And now what I would like to say is that we need to care our environment too. And now next question is that out of art and craft questions, okay, I want to know that you love listening music or not.
Yeah, sure. I do love listening to music. As a matter of fact, I had been trained in Indian classical music.
Pardon? Indian classical music? Wow, that's really awesome.
All. I had been trained in Indian classical music for a good majority of my high school days, way back in the day, and I had completed the course as well. But I must admit, I am not a good singer at all.
But you must try and come out with a good song. So, what's your favorite song?
And regarding my favorite song, well, I do not have a current favorite. Rather, I have favorites.
Okay.
Found myself liking different songs in different phases of my life, so I do not have an all-time favorite either, like some people do.
And now it's time to wind up the show. So, Daha Vijita ke ang thank you. Khajang mujang chiladu antene time ribani interview niklahi. And Daha Vijita could budi Insta handle account ke pochiri hana. So, if someone needs something like show pieces, so you can DM her. So, Vijita, it's yours.
Thank you so much, Tanvi Abhi, for taking the time out to reach out to me for this talk. It was an absolute pleasure and very self-reflective for me. I hope it helps to whoever is in need of hearing of this interview. You can get in touch with me on my arts and crafts store on Instagram, that is at artsy shrine. Or ang ani hamjoma khashoma radio gapshap khanaero shikhe riladu jutai.
And Jaha jini interview ke iraning jamil ladu. So next hafta hauli ni interview lahi thaina. So kena hining donglai Radio Gapshap 94.3 FM. We are proud to be local, Jutai.